Hi everyone, I'm here in Baclaran Church. Yes guys, I'm here in Baclaran Church. Daming tao dito guys. Nagdadasal at kailangan nila magtanggal ng mga kasalanan nila na hindi naman gusto. I'm here in Baclaran Church. This is my first time to see the church of Baclaran, you know. Let's see. Ang daming tao dito, guys. As in, more and more people here. Kahit saan. Di ba guys, ang ganda talaga ng Baclaran Church. Saan pa kayo dyan? Punta tayo sa loob para mag-see. Wala ako guys candle para mag-pan dyan guys. Oh. Over there na lang para mag-see. Look guys, it's more people. Super good as in guys. Ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Bye bye.